Hi, my name is Andrew Wells and I'm a technical specialist here at Pointerra. In this video, I will demonstrate how to customize your profile and set up your company. When you first log into your account, you will be presented with this homepage where it will display your most recent projects. In the top right corner, you will see your upload button. That is where you can upload your point cloud data. Your company page, where you can access the full Pointerra site. Support, where you can raise tickets. And finally, your profile. First, let's customize your profile. Here you will find your name, your API key, any identities that you may have. Further on down, you can see what license tier that you are currently on, as well as what permissions those license tiers will have. Next, you'll see your site preferences, such as changing your home page, your viewer theme, default render quality, measurement units, and notification method. Next in the list, you will have your teams that you have been assigned to, as well as any point clouds that have been shared with you. Now, let's get your company set up. This is the full company homepage. On the left-hand side, you will see Manage Account. In this Manage Account, you will see information such as your company name, your logo, a data license URL that you can link to, and any additional switches that you may wish to have, such as the ability to view demo public datasets, enable two-factor authentication, restrict dataset browsing, extra authorization for dataset admins, and override the user home page preference. On the right-hand side, you will see usage summary of your account, as well as point clouds, how many licenses are used, as well as data usage. Next, let's look at the Users tab. Here is where you can find information about the different users in your account, as well as changing their license tier, seeing their API key, and all their recent activity. You can also invite users to your company by providing a name, a user email, the user tier, and any custom messages. Next is the Teams tab. Here is where you can assign users to specific teams as well as creating teams within your company. The Billing tab is where you can add your credit card details if you wish. The Metrics tab provides information about your account, such as which projects have had the most views, specific user activity, upload information, as well as user actions. And the final tab is the Reports. This is where you can download CSV information about your point clouds and your datasets, as well as downloading KML bounding boxes of your projects. Next, let's take a look at the company configuration. Here is where you can create classification schemes assigned to your point cloud. You can clone, you can create an empty one, or you can import from a CSV file. In the User Messages tab, you can create predefined user messages when your point cloud is opened by a user. And finally is the Coordinate Reference Systems favorites. This is where you can set up your predefined coordinate reference systems that you frequently use. Next, let's look at webhooks. This is where you can create defined custom URLs that can be called into your systems, such as Slack. Next, in the linked apps section, if you have access to this feature, you will see something called Utility Explorer. If you wish to know more about Utility Explorer, please reach out to our Pointerra sales team. In the storage locations, this is where you can create links to your external storage, such as AWS or Azure. Please contact our support team if you wish to know more. In the sharing page is where you can access all information regarding share links that you have used on your account. From there, you can edit your links. You can also close any shared links, as well as view embedded links and external shared folders with other Pointerra companies. And the final page is the exports. This is where you can see the recently exported points from your point cloud. So there you have it. You have now set up your company. If you still have questions, please reach out to our support team through the portal.